Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the SmartRent app is and how it's positioned. According to official SmartRent descriptions and app listings, SmartRent is a smart home and property management app designed for residents in connected apartment communities. It allows users to control smart devices like locks, thermostats, and lighting from a single mobile interface. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official App Store details, users can lock and unlock doors remotely, adjust temperature settings, and create custom schedules to manage energy usage. The app also supports automation features, allowing users to set routines that adjust devices automatically throughout the day. According to SmartRent's official platform information, residents can generate temporary or recurring access codes for guests, deliveries, or service providers. It includes activity tracking, where users can review lock history and monitor when someone enters their home. The app also enables residents to submit and track maintenance requests directly, helping streamline communication with property staff. SmartRent mentions that users can receive alerts for events like potential leaks or device activity, depending on installed hardware. There are integrations with voice assistants and other smart home systems, although compatibility may depend on the specific property setup and supported devices. The app is typically available only to residents in SmartRent-enabled properties, meaning access depends on property participation. Some features, such as security monitoring or advanced automation, may vary by community configuration and are not confirmed for every user. This app may be useful for residents who want centralized control over smart home features and property-related services. For users interested in remote access, automation, and integrated apartment management tools, this could be an option. However, performance and feature availability depend on hardware, internet connectivity, and property setup, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.